This $1 million is really going to help me out once I scan this QR code. Very excited for that.
Oh yeah, what a fantastic puzzle, yeah. $1 million in the bag of roo. Gonna slap it to it, yeah, millionaire tonight. Gonna make it. Big bank. Take a little bank.
Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. In this one we have another fantastic $1 million puzzle from Mschf. I bought 5 of these and I've already done one of them. That one was a very long and strenuous process, but now since I got it down packed, I believe that I'll be able to get this one done in a matter of hours, which is what I get the other one done, but it was like 7-8 hours. This one could probably get it done in about 2 or 3. If you guys don't know what Mschf is, they actually are a company that just now came out in like 2019. They create all kinds of mischief. That's what they do. They have all kinds of different boxes. They released those Satan shoes. They released the Jesus shoes. They released Card v Card. They have released all kinds of crazy drops and all kinds of crazy more on the way right now. They're constantly dropping all kinds of mischievous things, so stay tuned and check out their website as well. I will leave a link to Mschf down in the description below if you guys want to check them out. But a small little disclaimer, this video is sponsored by absolutely no one. So if you guys like this video at any time, go ahead and press that like button, comment down below, and also drop me a subscribe if you would too. I'm on the way to 1,000 subscribers, and at the filming of this video, I'm at 945. By the time it uploads, who knows where I'll be at, but hopefully soon I'll be at 1,000. But let's go ahead and jump into today's box and see what we've got. Like I said before, this is from Mschf, but I didn't tell you guys the price. These puzzles really aren't all that expensive. They're only $30 a piece, which for a puzzle is pretty high, but for the amount of time that you get to use the puzzle, it's pretty cool. And where you don't have the picture, you could actually just reuse this puzzle multiple times if you wanted to. But I am also going to be doing some puzzle glue and making a cool little piece to hang on my wall out of these puzzles as well. So let's go ahead and hop into it. Slides off the top like that. And if you couldn't tell before, seriously, you can't lose. Like, no, seriously, you can't lose. Everyone is a winner when it comes to this. You can win either 25 cents or all the way up to $1 million. Let's go ahead and open this up. Do not throw away this card. It contains special information needed to redeem your prize money. And here is the code right there that will be void by the time I post this video. First, you want to assemble the QR code puzzle. Sorry if there isn't a visual reference of what you're building. You have to earn it. Number 2, once assembled, you take a picture of the completed puzzle on your mobile device. Number 3, you'll then be directed to 1millionpuzzle.com, where then number 4, you will enter your secret prize code. The bottom of this instruction sheet has that on it right there. Follow the online instructions to receive your reward. Then you can share your puzzle on Instagram or TikTok, make a YouTube video, and then hashtag them at 1millionpuzzle and give them a good little shout out. Before you start, take a photo of your secret prize code printed on the insert in your puzzle box. If you lose your code, you cannot claim your prize. Then no one wins. We hate that. Definitely really cool that they give you a heads up on there too, let you know multiple times. Do not lose that code, because if you do, you're not going to be able to claim your prize. Now, since you guys got the rundown on what the $1 million puzzle is, let's go ahead and start setting it up, and let's go ahead and get that $1 million right quick. Stick around until the end to see if I win that 1 million. Hopefully I do. Fingers crossed, guys. Couple edge pieces. Go ahead, and as soon as they're falling out, I'm going to grab them, because if I can do it before I get all the pieces down there, it'd be a lot easier to scope through all of them when they're not all laying down there. This is already going very quick, guys. Super excited about tonight's puzzle. I think we're going to be moving very quickly once I get started, so bear with me and hang out for a second, and I'll get this going for us. Alright guys, it's been 18 minutes since I first started this video. I don't know how long it's going to be once I start editing it, but it's been 18 minutes since I started, and I have all of the edge pieces and corner pieces, so I can go ahead and build out the border of our puzzle. Let's go ahead and get that started and check it out. Alright guys, it only took me about 40 minutes and I got the entire border and everything done now. It was actually a very quick process because I already had everything already laid out, from the corner pieces all the way to all the edges. So super cool. It's all coming together very nicely. It's going to look something like the last one that I did, but of course the black portions of the QR code are going to be different. So let's go ahead and continue making this puzzle. We're about a quarter of the way done now. I figured I'd go ahead and check in with you all instead of just fast forwarding or letting it play through. Go ahead and check in with you all again on this one. So far so good. It is getting a little hard right here as the colors are starting to transition on both sides, but where it's solid blue right here, it wasn't so bad. So now I'm actually gathering up all of the yellows and going to start doing those as well, and then I'll kind of converge in the middle somewhere. But I'm going to focus on these bright colors, and then I'm going to move on to the middles and everything like that using the pieces that are left over on the side. So hopefully we get this done pretty quickly, guys. If you guys have any ideas on how to make these videos a little bit better for you all, comment down in the comment section below and let me know, and I'll try and do that on my next 3 videos, because I have 3 more of these. And it's kind of boring videos because it's just me sitting around doing a puzzle, which really ain't much. But the $1 million I'm about to win is really going to actually set that off and make it worthwhile watching this video, guys. So super cool. Like I said earlier, these puzzles are actually only 30 bucks. So you can buy 5 of them for 150 bucks like I did, and have plenty of time to just do puzzles and hang out too, you know what I mean? It's not really that big of a deal. Everyone's a winner in this one, and even like a puzzle for 30 bucks and spend 5-6 hours hanging out with friends or family, your loved ones. Super cool project to do, super cool puzzle. Alright guys, another update. We're about 2 hours in and I'm almost halfway done, so it should be getting done around 12, somewhere in that area. Hopefully I can get it done before 12. That's what I'm going to try and do for you all. Let's go ahead and continue this, and let's see if I win that $1 million. You know what it is. Let's go. I was going to cut this footage out, but instead I decided to keep it and just fast forward it for you guys because it looks pretty cool as I put all the puzzle pieces down. Let me know what you guys think about this puzzle down in the comment section below. I've just been editing it and just realized how cool it was, and can't wait to actually do that puzzle glue, because I'm going to put all 4 pieces together, like with the red in the middle, and then use that as like an art piece for one of my walls. So let me know what you guys think about that idea too. I think it's going to look pretty cool, and I'll probably show you guys one of those pictures on my community tab later on if you guys decide to subscribe. So go ahead and subscribe and stay tuned for that as well. Let's go ahead and get back into the video and check it out. Alright guys, we have just a small little chunk left right here. We have all the pieces right here, and my wife just now joined me a while ago, and we have really been starting to crank it up. Really coming together, guys, and I'm really feeling this $1 million is going to be in here, so stick around. It's coming up right now here in just a second, so just bear with us and we'll get that 1 million for y'all. Let's check it out.
Oh yeah, what a fantastic puzzle, yeah. $1 million in the bag of roo. Gonna slap it to it, yeah, millionaire tonight. Gonna make it. Big bank. Take a little bank.
Now since we're about to finish it up, so I ain't gotta keep on reaching, I'll go ahead and spin it around this way and get a much better look on it. Let's go ahead and finish strong on this one. It just now hit 12 o'clock at night, so the clock just struck 12 and I didn't make it before 12, so feeling pretty sad about that. So this $1 million is really gonna help me out once I scan this QR code. Very excited for that. Yeah, my wife's here with me, and that made her chuckle for sure. That one was a good one. We're definitely gonna bag this $1 million though, for sure.
Good. Almost done.
Almost done.
I came in at the end, but
it's all right. It's all right. At least we're here. You know what I mean? Causing some mischief. My back is broken though. Again, same thing I said in the first video. Here's another one right now. My back is broke. Woo! Alright guys, finally got the whole entire puzzle fixed up. Now we are about to scan the QR code. Here we are, and I have the QR code. I'm about to go ahead and scan it. Go ahead and pop it up here. Then it pulls up 1millionpuzzle.com and go ahead and press that. Almost there. Enter your secret prize code to see what you have won. Let me grab my prize code and go ahead and enter this. Remember, your prize code will be on this, and if you lose your prize code, you cannot claim your prize. So definitely keep track of that. And this one is going to be the $1 million winner. Now my code is in. Let's go ahead and reveal what we have won today. Oh my, oh my, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Come on, come on. 25 cents. Oh my Lord, guys. Looky there, I'm about to break my $1,200 phone. That's all right, guys. We have 3 more tries. We're gonna get $1 million out of one of them. Stick around, subscribe to Real Life Unboxing, and continue to wait on this $1 million winner. Definitely got one in there. I can feel it in my bones. I could have swore that this one was it, but unfortunately it is not, guys. Like I said, I will leave a link to the Mschf $1 million puzzle down in the description below if you guys would like to check out those. I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Unboxing for more products with real life applications. Smash that notification bell to stay up to date on our newest uploads. And as always, keep it real.